Hey everybody, it's Molly, and I'm just hopping on here because I was sent this small tactical backpack and I wanted to give you my honest review. First of all, there are tons of loops and places to hook carabiners onto this bag. You can use this for a lot of things. There is a water bottle holder on this side. There is a strap that goes around. You've got a huge pocket in the inside here that has a large zipper. You also have a small slip-in pocket in the back here, as well as on the external. So if you wanted to keep identification or cash or something, you could do that directly on the outside. It's also padded, so this is going to be really comfortable. You do have adjustable straps here, as well as a whole compartment up here. So we've got a zipper pocket in the front here that comes out. We've got one on top as well. It also comes with a couple cute patches, which they came in this one, and the backs do come with them if you don't want to keep them on the bag, but I put them on this Velcro strip here, and I think that they look pretty cute. There is a water bottle holder on both sides, so that's really handy. And for size reference, I am 5'8", 160 pounds, and this is going to be the cutest little backpack for hiking or taking on flights, because it could be your personal item and just sit right underneath the seat. It could be a great backpack for kids, and I just think it's really cute and looks like you are ready for any adventure. So if you are looking for an awesome, sturdy little backpack with lots of hooks and loops and spots to store things, I highly recommend this one.